Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 30th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out of so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. I hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about Friday and Saturday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nation as well. Also, the Watches Warning Advisory map, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Friday. We're going to try to take a look at Saturday if we can, and also take a look at day 4, which is Sunday, as we got a little bit of severe weather to discuss as well. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, pretty much we just have thunderstorms and showers pretty much from northern Michigan to Wisconsin, also to portions of Minnesota, over through the Dakotas, portion of Montana, Wyoming, a little bit of showers over northwestern Washington State, with more thunderstorms and showers down into Texas, all the way down into portion of Florida Keys. The red slashed area here from portion of Iowa, southern Iowa, also Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, down into Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. Flash flood and heavy rain. The yellow slashed area across Texas, back in Louisiana, Arkansas, and southern Oklahoma. Some severe weather possible in that region, and a little bit of shower activity along the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge of much of Canada, the eastern seaboard from Maine all the way down to Georgia, North Florida, including Alabama, the Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, Yucatan Peninsula, much of Mexico, also the Gulf of California, from New Mexico to Arizona, all the way to Washington, Oregon State, also over to Montana and Wyoming region. All of this activity is for your Friday, May 31st. Alright. Let's move on to Saturday forecast. You can see here we got a lot of shower activity, thunderstorm from portion of New York State through the Great Lakes, through Michigan, through northern Michigan, and through the Dakotas, portion of Montana, also back into the Dakotas, like I said, down to Nebraska, down to Texas, the Gulf of Mexico, a little bit across the Florida Keys, South Florida, stretching from Georgia all the way up to New York State once again. Red slashed area from Oklahoma to Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, portion of Mississippi, some flash flooding, heavy rain, and also some severe weather from portion of Kansas, Nebraska, also in the portion of Colorado region as well. Pockets of showers in portion of Colorado over here in Montana and also Washington State, and some mixed precipitation there as well. Otherwise, dry high pressure Washington, Oregon State, Arizona, California, Gulf of California, much of Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, much of Florida, and the East Coast from Florida to Maine, also Newfoundland and New Brunswick area as well. This activity is for your Saturday, June 1st. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar. We have a little bit of activity up the east off the main. I got showers and storms through the Dakotas, all the way down to Oklahoma, all the way down into Iowa, down into portion of Arkansas, Texas, back into Colorado, down into portion of South Texas, red, but it changed to yellow. That's a severe thunderstorm warning to green over here, and thunderstorm warning there. Alright, here we go. I might have to do a little different here. We got a 15% risk of severe weather from up here in portion of Pierre over toward Aberdeen, toward Minneapolis, also Sioux City, Sioux Falls area. This is a 15% risk area for severe weather. This will be your Sunday. We're going to try to go back to day 3, and then we'll go back to day 2 and try to get to the watch and warn advisory map. Okay, as you can see here, this is day number 3. This is, we got general thunderstorm from Mobile to New Orleans, all the way up to Cincinnati, to Minneapolis, Duluth, all the way up to Fargo, Aberdeen, all the way down into portion of Corpus Christi. We have a marginal risk from Jackson to Jackson area of Tennessee, to Jackson, Mississippi, to Waco, to Austin, to Fort Stockton, all the way to Amarillo. Valentine, you're included. If you're in Garden City, North Platte, Sterling, Fort Morgan, and Lamar, Colorado, this is a 15% risk area for severe weather. The other one is the marginal risk and just general thunderstorms in the lighter green area. Probability 15 in the yellow and 5% number 2. We'll discuss this here if it'll come up while we're waiting on day 2. Alrighty, here is day number 2. We have general thunderstorm from Fort Myers to Miami to Tallahassee, all the way up to Kansas, Omaha, and Lincoln, all the way up to Minneapolis. Also at the Bismarck, we have a marginal risk stretching from New Orleans to Jackson, Mississippi, to Dallas, to Fort Steele, to Liberal, to Lubbock, Midland, and Fort Stockton. Also, we have a slight risk from San Antonio to Little Rock. Also, again, from portions of south of Cheyenne to the east of Santa Fe. the tornado probability for your Friday will be. All right, we have a 2% down towards San Antonio, Austin, over toward east of Fort Stockton. Austin, borderline of 5%. Little Rock and Greenville, Mississippi, 5% risk for a tornado. Damaging winds. All right, damaging winds, 5% from New Orleans to Memphis to Fort Steele, all the way up toward McCook and Kobe. Cheyenne, you're included. Anybody east of Denver, all the way down into east of Santa Fe, 15% for damaging wind. Austin, San Antonio, Houston, Lupkin, Shreveport, Alexandria, 15% risk for damaging winds. And now let's take a look at the large hail. Pretty much Waco to San Antonio to Midland to Lubbock, all the way up to Cheyenne, you're in the 5%. East of Denver to east of Santa Fe, 15%. Fort Abilene down to Pablo, Killian, San Angelo, and Cedar Park, Texas, you're in the 15% risk area for large hail. All right, now let's see if we can show you the watch and warning advisory map. Okay, we got frost advisory up here portion of Maine, back in the New York State, a little bit down in same over here in portion of Idaho, Montana, and also portions of Washington State with some freeze warnings there. Hydro issues also over portions of Washington State, Idaho. Wind advisory of Montana with a special weather statement. River flood warning for Nevada. Also we have air quality alerts for portions of Arizona. We're in this area here. We have eastern New Mexico, portion of North Texas, western Oklahoma with some ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings. Tornado watch to the south with a few ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings there. Heat advisory to the South Texas, more severe thunderstorm warning for northern Louisiana with ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings there. Flash flood warnings. And also we have some flash flood watches in effect for portions of Texas and also Oklahoma. We have river flood warnings for portions of Iowa, also portions of the North Dakota, Minnesota border, also in Nebraska, Kansas, also down in the portions of areas of Iowa, Illinois, Tennessee, Kentucky, Arkansas, Louisiana, and East Texas. Gale warnings along the Long Island region, same up here from portion of Oregon State down to California. Small craft advisory for South Hawaiian Chain Island, north some around the Alaska area as well. Alright, sorry everything was a little backwards, but we got it. Hope everybody has a wonderful Thursday evening. Take care. Make sure you subscribe, like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care.